in just a moment today's video. But first, a 30-second announcement. What if the secret to living your best life is realizing that you're not fighting the world, you're fighting yourself? We are inviting you to get deep with our free 7-day self-love challenge, compliments of our intuitive arts and self-growth school, Zen Academy, where we feature a huge catalog of courses and certifications to help you constantly improve yourself in your self-growth and as an intuitive arts professional. Click the link to find out more and get started today. And now, on to today's video.
Welcome to our Tarot Tips series, How to Read Tarot Cards. Be sure to watch the whole video for 3 tarot beginner mistakes to avoid. Or not, you might have already committed any one of these mistakes. No worries, we've got solutions for recovery. Hashtag Tarot Anonymous. Plus, stay to the end for the collective tarot card reading. There might be something in it for you.
Whoa, this series is an introduction to our comprehensive tarot training courses.
And make sure you catch all the videos in this series in the link below for all the juicy tarot goodness.
Whatever level you are, from beginning to advanced, we always bring something valuable to help you grow and improve your practice.
And if you are just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
Caren.com. As you come on, let us know where you're watching from. Take this moment to represent your hood.
Boom. And if you have any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
So let's get into those mistakes. Mistake number 1, doing a tarot reading when you're super emotional. Or like that. Whatever that was, don't do that. Like a fresh breakup, right? You just got fired, or you and your BFF just got in a huge fight, like I'm probably about to do with David. You're a big fat wad of emo and you need to put on some Coldplay records, contact your inner Cancer moon and cry, drink some Cabernet and eat a pile of chocolate, but do not read your cards.
Whatever you do, don't do it.
Do all those other things. Call a friend that is emotionally clear to do the reading, or honestly, take 48 and just cry and eat more chocolate and listen to more Coldplay. Trust me, chocolate trumps tarot for the first 48 hours or a week. Okay? Reading for yourself right now can result in a really bad misdirected reading because your emotions are going to overpower and silence your intuition. It's like putting a gag order on your intuition. Just take a break.
Don't do it.
Take a break.
Go for the chocolate. Mistake number 2. Don't go busting out a Celtic cross or some advanced technical reading or some kind of a 5-pile, 12-deck French spread that uses all the cards and then get Russell Crowe, Beautiful Mind all up in it for a simple question. It's just not cute. Use a simple 1 to 3 card spread for a simple answer to a simple question, especially if you're a beginning reader. Keep it simple, Spanky.
Mistake number 3. You keep drawing clarifier cards until the deck runs out. Newbie mistake. It makes sense to draw a clarifier at the end of a spread. Say if your outcome is a reversed card and it's just not clear, or if it's just not clear, it doesn't have to be reversed. Right. As a rule, 1 to 3 clarifiers is all you will ever need. More than that, and you are trying to polish a turd. Trust me.
Not gonna work. Now it's time for the collective tarot card reading. As we do that, I want you to let us know whether it resonates for you by dropping that in the comments. Now it's time to check in with our fans.
We're going to fan these on the table, and I'm going to see who's peeking out at me today.
Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
We're gonna just,
say no more, say no more.
This guy's just hiding, so we're going to pull this one out, and it is the Hanged Man. Okay.
Not in reverse. Basically, as a collective, it's about looking at life from a different perspective. Take those goggles, flip them upside down, put them on backwards, whatever it is, and look at the world with new eyes, a fresh perspective. If you need to stand up on a chair, look differently at the room, do it.
That's kind of the surface meaning of the Hanged Man, is that you're looking at things in a different perspective. Okay, but let's take it a little bit deeper as a collective. So the Hanged Man, coming into this time period that we're coming into, we're not only seeing things from a different perspective, which is sort of, we're forced to look at something in a different perspective, right? The Hanged Man is choosing to not only see things from a different perspective, but to make sense of the things that he or she is seeing from a different perspective.
Right.
So what I feel like this is saying for us on a deeper level as a collective is that now it is time to take what we're seeing from this new perspective, because we can't help seeing things from a different perspective. All of us are hanged man right now.
Absolutely new normal, right?
Right? But now,
Make sense of it.
how are we going to make sense of it? And I
Right.
feel like the hanged man in this card is showing us that we have the opportunity to go deeper with our belief systems and really root them out and find out what's pure, what's not.
And to put a different spin on the connecting of the dots that may be in a different way that you have ever looked at it because of such a big, huge moment. Okay, this is a huge moment that opens you up to literally see the world in a different way.
So this is more than just the spiritual awakening.
Right.
Okay, when you have a traumatic event that is a global event, the hanged man can present itself in a deeper philosophical way, where now you're going to see the birth of something beautiful in the mind of humanity.
Right.
So as a collective, the hanged man is telling me that not only have we been forced into seeing this different perspective, because a lot of times the hanged man in the pure sense chooses to see something in a different perspective. In this case, we're forced to see something in a different perspective.
The choice, though, is still there for you to look at it differently and see how you can put the pieces together in a way that works better, not only for you, but also for the collective as a whole.
So what is chosen is that I believe that what we're going to see coming down the pike for all of us, and this can be you, is to create a new philosophy for yourself, something that you can share with others so that we can rebuild a better humanity. The hanged man is a prophet. The hanged man is about your inner prophet who has gone on that mystic journey and created a way to see the world, talk about the world, and heal the world that the hanged man can now share with the world. That is what is coming up for you to do personally, and also for us as a collective to kind of maybe not get on the same page, but have a little bit of an understanding and see each other in a new light.
This also helps us to create ways that create cohesion instead of division. Create cohesion.
So that brings up another point in the hanged man. The hanged man in its upright position is really about creating cohesion through philosophy. That's one way to look at it. When you have the hanged man in reverse, you have someone that is either going along with the crowd, and the crowd they don't always have the best philosophy, it's a mob mentality, or they're the one instigating division. The hanged man in its upright position, when he comes down off of the hanged man place,
The cross.
it's a special kind of cross. I mean,
Right.
it has significance in the symbology of the golden age. Too much to get into here. We go into the crosses. There's actually two different crosses that are being shown here.
We go deeper into our classes.
Yeah, in our comprehensive tarot class, we explain what those two crosses symbolize. But just when he comes down off that cross, okay, he has something to bring. It's a resurrection of sorts. He has something to teach. He's a prophet of sorts that brings a philosophy that unites people.
He gets to share the new wisdom and new perspective that he's come to so that the benefit is placed upon and with the collective.
Right, so the hanged man, when he comes off the cross, is about sharing and uniting community.
Right.
He's not the hermit after. He doesn't go into his little hermit and...
No, it's about coming in and sharing with everybody else.
It's about coming out into the...
What did you learn?
It's about coming out into society and sharing.
Yes. If this resonated with you, let us know in the comments and spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on
So you're the first to know.
when we drop a new video.
Or go live.
Boom, 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 boom. See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Just a reminder to take a moment and smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to sign up for our free 7-day self-love challenge. Compliments of Zen Ed Academy, where it has never been easier than right now to get comprehensive PhD-backed education to improve your life and to get professionally certified in your intuitive arts career. Mediumship, tarot, self-growth. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.